now guys, we're gonna do a demo on how to use the Ride mobile application. First things first, we should download the Ride mobile application. For Android users, you can download it at Play Stores. And for iOS, soon we're gonna have an iOS version that you can download in the App Store. As of now, we only have this application for Android users. Once na-download nyo na siya sa Play Store, mag-a-appear sa screen nyo yung Ride icon. This is the logo of the Ride and this is the mobile app icon. I'm gonna tap it. Okay. So we have to check the data connection for sure. Kailangan yun. And as you can see, yung intro ng Ride, medyo techy yung approach. So before we begin, tuturo ko muna sa inyo how to register properly dito sa Ride mobile application. You have to log out first. So we did this app for your own safety and security. So we have to take this app seriously. This app is not built for entertainment. Let's take the registration seriously. No? We have to put the right info on the registration. Otherwise, there's a chance na pag ginamit natin itong mobile app na to sa kalokohan, of course, meron tayong kaukulang parusa or warning sa paggamit ng mobile app na to. So, as you can see, this is how we begin. If you don't have an account yet or you're not subscribed yet, just go to the sign up section. So there you go. So we have the referral ID. I'll give you an example. For example, you have a friend na nag-refer na sa'yo how to download the app. Ni-refer niya sa inyo how good the app is and you want to download it now. So you have options here sa referral ID. Once you subscribe kasi, you're gonna have your own QR code. And through that QR code, meron siyang direct referral scheme. So ito. So if halimbawa meron na, you just have to scan his QR code. And that's it. There's no referral, pwede ka mamili randomly kung sino yung mga naka-register na. So it's up to you who to choose. Ayan. So meron tayong options kung sino yung mga gusto nating piliin. Okay, so that's it. So we have to put our first name, last name, our contact number. Make sure na yung contact number na ilalagay natin dito is ang ating totoong contact number. And of course, there's a license number included. So sa license number, pag tinignan natin yung mga license ID natin, makikita natin doon yung letters, numbers, dash, numbers, dash, number. Kailangan lang natin tanggalin yung dash. So continue siya, letters and numbers lang. And then after that, you have to select the vehicle na gagamitin nyo while using this app. Because this app is tailored fit based on the vehicle na ginagamit natin. Okay, so we have motorcycle, scooter, car, bicycle, etc. Then after that, you're gonna have to put on your email address and username and the password. Okay, so after that, we can proceed, we can begin. So let's say we already have downloaded the app. Ito. I'm gonna sign in now. So once we've signed in, ito ang mag-appear sa atin sa first interface. So we can see we have a profile picture here and our name and the date when we registered. So, below that, meron tayong where to go. This will be the navigation. And then the ads, the banner ads, this is gonna be for our advertisers sa mga clients ng ride. And we have messages. Sa messages, papasok yung mga personal messages natin. Coming from our friends, from our family members, etc. And then we have the notification sa mga taong na-subscribe natin na nangangailangan ng tulong, nasiraan, or kailangan ng directions, kailangan ng tulong natin. Dito siya pumapasok sa notifications. And we have the conversations. Dito naman pumapasok ang mga conversations natin sa mga group chats, sa mga group events. Dito siya nag-appear sa conversation. And we have the settings, of course, where we can change our email, change our mobile number, and change our password. And then we have the app credit and the earnings. Etong earnings na to, as you can see, I already have 542 earnings. It is because may 3 tao na akong na-refer to use this app. So makikita nyo kung sino-sino yung mga taong na-refer nyo na to use this app. And kayo yung naging referral person ng taong yun. So as you can see, I have 3 persons here already. Kaya if I am to pay the app for $1,000 or the regular one, which would cost me around 400 to 500 pesos only, nabawi ko na siya. So it's like I'm using the mobile app now for free. Yung mga services niya is for free na dahil nakapag-refer na ako ng mga other mobile application user. Ayan. And then here is how you can subscribe. This is not the final price yet because we're gonna inject also a few more services na mas ma-appreciate nyo. But as you can see, no, it's just 2 pesos a day for regular users. And we have 5 pesos a day for premium users. I'm gonna discuss to you further what's the difference between the regular and premium users. Okay? Sa regular kasi, they can access all the features but with a limited time and limited post. And sa premium naman, you can access the full feature of the app, unlimited. So yun ang kagandahan. So later on, makikita nyo kung gaano ka-importante yung unlimited na usage ng mobile app natin. Okay, so let's proceed to the second interface ng app. Okay, so we have here Home, then Explore. And click this Explore button. So as you can see, we have the different categories dito sa Explore. We have auto detailing, car wash, convenience store, gasoline station, hotel, motor shop, restaurant, vulcanizing, etc. Ito kasi yung mga basic na kailangan natin, basic establishments that we need whenever we are traveling, whenever we are on a trip. Sila yung mga hinahanap natin kadalasan. So sa ngayon, these are all linked sa Google app because we don't have any advertisers yet. Kasi bago pa lang naman yung mobile app natin. So nakalink pa lang siya. Let's say for example, I'm looking for a nearby convenience store. I-click ko lang siya. And then the Google map will appear. And magsasuggest siya sa atin ng mga nearby convenience store. For example, we have here All Day Convenience Store, Wind Horse, Green Glory. Okay. So that's how it works. But when we already have the advertisers, maganda tong option na to for the advertisers kasi ilalagay namin dito yung full feature ng establishments nyo plus yung mga promotional items or mga promos nyo dito sa Explore, dito sa category kung saan kayo nararapat. Okay, so having said that, pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa BNS. BNS stands for Buy and Sell section. So there you go. As you can see, we have another set of banner ads. So etong banner ads na to, it's either a poster ng logo natin and our location, and we also have the animated or video clip that you can post for the banner ads. One example of the video clips or animated posting ng banner ads natin here, the buy and sell section, is this one. See, di ba ang ganda? So meron tayong ganito, video clip banner ads. So it's a typical buy and sell section. The only difference for us is that we have an option here wherein hindi ka makakapag-communicate directly dun sa seller, not unless i-accept niya yung offer nyo. Kung makikita nyo, open offer here. So, the only time na magkakaroon kayo ng conversation or communication between the seller, once na tinanggap niya yung offer price nyo sa kanya. Pero yung mga seller kasi, ayaw nila ng waste of time. So, gusto nila kapag may nag-inquire, they could directly send their offers. Now, if I am the seller and I accept your offer, then that's the only time na pwede tayo mag-usap. But if I decline your offer, then that's it. You have to give me another offer bago tayo magkausap. Okay? So, this is our buy and sell section. Now, for the regular users, we are limited to post kung ano yung mga gusto nating ibenta dito. Siguro we are just limited for 3 to 5 items. But if you're a premium user, you can post up to 20 items nang walang problema dito sa buy and sell section. And now, for the group, this is the best part of this mobile application, the group. So as you can see, I've created a couple of groups already dito sa mobile app na to. And meron din tayong option to join dun sa mga existing group na. So for example, I just tap the join button here. So pagka tinap mo siya, makikita mo na yung mga existing group. So kung meron kang grupo, meron kang group creator already or leader ng grupo nyo, all you have to do is join to that group. And meron na tayong mga created group inside the Ride mobile application. And if we are regular subscribers, again, we are just limited to create a group and event for 3 to 5 groups and 3 to 5 events. But for premium users, that's unlimited na naman. Now, for example, I created a group. Let's say I created this Ride mobile application. Pag tinap mo siya, it looks like a social media, and we can see all our members here. So as of now, I have 8 members. Nakikita ko sino-sino yung members ko dito. So if I create an event within this group, makikita mo yung option niya dito, and I can also post pictures. So makikita natin, we can create an event. We have the gallery kung saan natin pwedeng i-post yung mga videos and pictures natin. And we have a discussion wherein we have this group chat. So nandito siya sa group conversation. And then, the best part of this app is that we can create an event. So, let's say for example, meron tayong convoy na magaganap tomorrow. There's an event, pupunta tayo sa Tagaytay, pupunta tayo sa Pampanga, pupunta tayo sa Batangas. So we just have to create that event here. So we have the event title, place and venue kung saan tayo pupunta, yung direction natin, the complete address kung saan natin pupuntahan, and the event to start and the event that it will end. Now, these two are very important because that's the only time na pwede tayong i-monitor ng mga kasamahan natin. During event lang. After the event, automatically mawawala ang monitoring natin sa kanila. And of course, we have to ask their permission for them to be monitored. That's the act of privacy law. So, once we create an event, I already created an event here. So, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng sample. So, let's say we have an ongoing event. So, we have this. So, ayan. In this event, we have 5 members. So, makikita natin dito sa baba ng monitor right, merong 5 going, 0 interested, and 0 not interested. So, I have 5 members already na pwede nating i-monitor during the span of event. During the span of event lang. So, eto. Let's tap the monitor right. So, when I tap the monitor right, makikita ko yung mga kasamahan ko kung nasa na sila. So, here I have the 5 members of the event. And nilagay ko yung location ng event around Metro Manila. Ito yung location natin. So, dito ang destination natin lahat. I'll be very clear. Yung logo ng event natin, yun ang destination ng lahat. So, makikita natin nandyan yung pupuntahan natin. So, I am here in Las Piñas. We have other members in Muntinlupa. We have somewhere in Marikina. And we have somebody in Quezon City. And we also have someone from Tagaytay. So, yan ang mga members natin. But of course, when the event starts, magkikita-kita muna tayo. And pag nagkita-kita tayo, I can also monitor you guys kung papunta na kayo dun sa meet-up point natin. Kasi may movement yan eh. So, let's say for example, nag-start na tayo ng event. Of course, we have to start the navigation. And we have to choose which navigation tool are we comfortable using at. Meron tayong Waze, Google Maps, Earth, Zoom, Grab. So, I am more comfortable in using Google Maps. So, I'll use this. So, ayan. So, naka-navigate na ako kung saan ang direction papunta dun sa event. Now, let's say nagkaroon ng problema yung isang kasamahan natin na flatan, nasiraan ng sasakyan. And magno-notify siya dito sa Ride Mobile app natin eh. Kapag nasiraan siya, pwede siya mag-tap ng button na nagkaroon siya ng problema. Tuturo ko sa inyo mamaya how it works. So, let's say, ito, nagkaroon na nga ng problema. I'll just have to tap back. Back. And there is the option so where you can choose kung ano nangyari sa inyo. We have the accident, engine failure, flat tire, gas empty, low battery, overheat. So these are just a few lists kung ano yung mga possible na mangyari sa atin sa daan. So let's say ang nasiraan is si John Guarin. So once I tap John Guarin dun sa monitoring map ko, mag-a-appear yung layo niya, which is 21 kilometers away from me. So I have an option to go there. I have an option to send him a message. And I have an option to call him. So once we tap this direction, let's just go to the Google Map again. And of course, this navigation tool will give us direction kung nasaan na yung kaibigan natin na nasiraan. So again, we have to start. And once we reach him dito sa destination kung saan siya nasiraan, halimbawa nakarating na ako, no? So, exit ka na sa navigation map. So, once na nakapag-exit ka na sa navigation map, and naayos nyo na yung problema niya, let's say na-flatan siya, so na-fix natin yung flat tire niya. Let's say naputulan siya ng kadena, naayos natin. So basically, when we solve the issue, we can resume dun sa ride natin or dun sa convoy natin. So all we have to do is tap resume. And again, choose the navigation map. And there you go. Resume ulit tayo. So, nasaan ka man, if you resume yung unang direction nyo, yung navigation nyo papunta sa event na sinet nyo, all you have to do is tap the resume. So that's it. Ganun siya kaganda. And again, paalala lang po sa lahat, we don't have to monitor everybody during the transit, during the ride, during the convoy. Kasi ma-out of focus po tayo sa kalsada. This is for our safety. We don't need to monitor them. We only have to set the direction kung saan tayo pupunta, which is using the navigation tool. Now, if somebody is in trouble or somebody have a problem sa sasakyan niya or out of fascia, he can always tap one button para ma-notify tayong lahat kung ano yung nangyari sa kanya. And again, we have to pull over and tap the monitoring. Hindi po tayo mag-monitor during the ride. It's really risky. Lalo na sa mga bikers, sa mga nakamotor. You always have to focus on the road. May notification po tayo wherein they can notify us kung meron sila nagiging problema sa kalsada para matulungan natin sila. But again, don't focus on the right mobile application. If we want to monitor them, we have to pull over. We have to go to our direction first, to our destination. We have to be in our destination muna before we monitor the rest of the... Yun po ang paalala natin sa mga gumagamit ng Ride Mobile application. This monitoring is not built para makapag-monitor tayo habang bumabiyahe. Not unless may kasama tayo na pwede silang i-monitor. Pero kung tayo mismo na nagdadrive, I don't recommend monitoring them ng tayo may hawak sa manubela. And again, this app is very helpful, especially for our family. If we have a family of 5, let's say yung mga anak natin is nag-aaral sa malalayong lugar, hindi tayo kakaba-kaba if we can monitor their movement. And sila din ang mga anak natin, hindi rin kakaba-kaba sa kalsada if they are just one tap away from us. They are just one tap away to ask for our assistance, to ask for our help. And at the same time, namomonitor din natin sila. So this is very useful for our family. And for the businesses, if we have restaurants, we have deliveries, we can also monitor our staff. So alam din natin kung saan sila pumupunta. So this is highly recommended for the family, for the groups, sa mga barkada, sa mga friends, sa mga businesses, and sa lahat ng nagmamay-ari ng mga sasakyan. Malaking bagay po siya para sa atin. And I also want to clarify na this app is one of a kind, and this app is made by a Filipino. So we should be proud of what our kababayan did to help us secure our family, our friends, our relatives, our businesses. This is a very helpful app. So all I can say is that let's support this app. Yung pagbibigay ng referral fee, no? Hindi lahat ng app kayang magbigay ng referral fee. Well, we only do that because we want us to build a community para mas maraming subscriber, mas maraming pwedeng magtulong-tulong sa kalsada. Mas maraming subscriber, mas maiiwasan natin yung mga problema sa kalsada. Mas maraming subscriber, matutulungan natin yung mga taong nangangailangan sa kalsada. Mas maraming subscriber, makakapag-report tayo ng mga dapat i-report sa kalsada. Maraming paraan para makatulong tayo sa ating gobyerno para mapaganda ang ating kapaligiran, ang ating city, or ang ating bansa. And this Ride Mobile application is just a tool para magawa natin lahat yun. So, tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin. We have this app na pwede natin gamitin sa kabutihan. And of course, we have to control using this app. Huwag po natin siyang gagamitin sa kalokohan or sa walang kabuluhan na mga bagay. This is a serious app. This is not an entertainment app. This is app for all of us. So magtulong-tulong na lang po tayo. And please subscribe to our Ride Mobile application, which is very cheap. Ginawa po namin siya to help others. With the Ride Mobile application, you ride, we connect.